Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today I am very excited to introduce myself that who I am and I came here. What is the reason? So first of all, my name is Abdul Ansari. Right now I am teacher of kid primary school situated in the Supal district, Eastern Bihar and India. Just we announced that so many friends tell me that why not we should start our own speaking courses, speaking English easy way. It's not tough, it's too many easy as we speak our mother language Hindi, Urdu, as well as Mathli and so on, so that we can also speak English. Actually, I find that for me, yet I am not understand the Thaskir and Thanis, just stealing and pulling. Yet I am in speaking time. I mistake so many times. It's ki or ka. It's ki or ka. So as I think that English is easier because one thing you think that कि दो international language English is international language and as international language it means it's easy, therefore it's the international language. If it will not easy, then how can it be international language? So that I can say easy English is so many easy. There is only thing which is necessary if you want to speak, if you want to speak, if it's not so much tough, it's not tough for anyone. uh, so there is something which is necessary. First of all, we decide what we decide. If we don't know English, there is no problem, there is no problem, there is no problem. And wherever you want to go and whatever you want to do, if you don't know English, how to speak English, there is no problem. But if you think you have to go abroad, you have to go globally, you have to go internationally, then it's necessary, then it's necessary. And if we know you can, then you present yourself everywhere, everywhere of the world. Therefore it's good for you. If you think that you should also speak, you should also understand that there is something which is necessary. First of all, you decide. First of all, you decide that you have to understand, you have to deliver, and you have to speak. First of all, willingness. First of all, willingness. Anything you want, then first of all you should willingness. I have to get, I have to earn, I have to learn. And another thing is that के हाँ मतलब आप के अंदर एक विलिंगनेस होनी चाहिए, आपके अंदर एक इच्छा होनी चाहिए कि आपको जो है ये सीखना है, आपको ये बोलना है, आपको ये प्रेजेंट करना है. और second thing which is necessary, that is vocabulary of that language. Which language you want to deliver, which language you want to speak, those language, every language has own vocabulary. The English has also own vocabulary. Some vocabulary which is very popular, and there is no need to know all that vocabulary of that language, but which vocabulary which is necessary in daily uses, you have to understand those vocabulary. The second thing is vocabulary. First of all, willingness. Second thing is vocabulary, and third thing is some grammatical rule. Some grammatical rule. But I used to say always there is no need to grammar, there is no need to translation, there is no need to anything. If you want to speak, only you have to your willing that I have to speak. Some of my friends says, how you can say there is no need to grammar? I told him, I told him there is two things, that is one language, another literature. If we talk about literature, then there is necessary of grammar, there is necessary of rule of grammar, there is necessary of everything. But if we talk about language, what does means language? Language, one person deliver message to another and another can understand, that is known as language. Language can be by speaking, language can be by means ishara, and language can we say that body language. So for language there is there is no need any tough grammatical rule, any tough something. Only few things which is necessary you should know, and then you can speak. So there is one thing is willingness, another thing is a few vocabulary, few famous vocabulary, and third thing is some grammatical rule. And after that, if you have three things, you can speak easily, you can understand easily, you can deliver easily. So in next class we will discuss how to practice. First of all, one thing is also necessary, you should one friend, you should one friend, those you speak, those you just आप किससे डिस्कस करेंगे, दिस इज फॉर एग्जांपल कि आप किसको अपनी बात रखेंगे, आप किसके सामने अपनी बातें रखेंगे। तो इसके लिए आपको यू शुड हैव अ वन फ्रेंड, एक दोस्त होना चाहिए। दोस्त कैन बी एनी पर्सन, दोस्त कैन बी एनी पर्सन, कोई भी हो सकता है, और फिर उसके सामने आप जो है स्पीक करेंगे। तो उम्मीद है कि आपको हमारा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। हम जो है अब आसान से आसान तरीके से कैसे जो है इसको बोल सकते हैं, इसके लिए हम आएंगे और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जो है इस पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे। आपसे हमारा रिक्वेस्ट है, आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं तो इसे सब्सक्राइब करें, अपना कमेंट अवश्य दें, और फिर इसी के साथ आप हमें इजाज़त दें। खुदा हाफिज़, बाय बाय।